Hello, it's Jennifer, and welcome to day 2 of my 50 Days to 50. If you aren't familiar with what I am doing, please check one of the previous videos. But in short, it is 50 days to my 50th birthday, and every day I am getting something to get rid of that I've meant to get rid of. Things that have, for some reason, made the declutter keep list when I've done them in the past. But honestly, I should have gotten rid of them a long time ago. And so you will find that I am still in my bathroom where I started yesterday, because there's another item that I realized randomly I keep hanging on to, and that is makeup bags. So this is actually a brand new, really beautiful little makeup bag that I just don't need. And honestly, it is brand new in box, and I know exactly who I would love to give this to. The other thing that I found was that I had a couple other bags as well, and these were kind of travel bags. Both of them were pretty nice, and so I'll probably go ahead and just donate these guys. But I have bags that I use, and these are ones that I just don't need. So that's today's little category. It is makeup bags or bathroom bags. So I will love if you could comment, post pictures. If you guys are getting rid of anything, let me know. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever you can do to these videos. Talk to you soon.